30 miles on the Gulf Stream, I hear the south wind moan. Bridges getting lower, shrimp boats coming home. The old man down in the quarter slowly turns his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. I was born in the rain on the Poncha train, underneath Louisiana moon. Don't mind the strain of the hurricane, they come around every June. The high black water, the devil's daughter, she's hot, she's cold, and she's mean. But nobody taught him it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. He'll be back to Illinois. I was born in the rain on the Poncha train, underneath Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of the hurricane, they come around every June. The high black water, the devil's daughter, she's hot, she's cold, and she's mean. But nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. I was born in the rain on the Poncha train, underneath Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of the hurricane, they come around every June. The high black water, the devil's daughter, she's hot, she's cold, and she's mean. Nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. Nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. Nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away